Title: Leave No Trace. Principles for hiking the backcountry. Park rangers Amanda and Zach stand with backpacks in wooded area.
Hi, welcome to Picture Rocks National Lakeshore.
If this is your first time backcountry camping here, or even if you've done it before, there are some rules and hazards that you need to be aware of before you take off.
Please pay attention to these 7 leave no trace principles to make your trip safe and an exciting one.
Plan ahead and prepare typed in white letters appears on a black screen. Amanda and Zach start their hike on the North Country Trail.
The North Country Trail, which runs through Pictured Rocks, is considered a beginner's trail, but knowing your limits and how far you can hike is important.
Remember to pack the appropriate equipment for the ever-changing weather here at Pictured Rocks.
Amanda puts on raincoat and backpack as weather changes.
Remember to pack in only what you can carry out.
A map, toilet paper, soap, bug spray, pocket knife, and rope are laid out on a log. Amanda is filling a smaller bag with the items. Hike and camp on durable surfaces typed in white letters appears on a black screen. Amanda and Zach continue hiking.
Stay on the trail to avoid trampling sensitive plants and cliff line.
A view of narrow dirt trail through wooded area.
The cliffs here are made of sandstone, so they're very fragile. Please do not climb on them.
Remember, good campsites are found, not made.
A panning view of campsite area with cleared ground.
Please follow the itinerary on your permit.
A white backpacking permit hanging on tent. A campground site marker with the site name Chapel.
And stay in the designated sites.
Zach adjusts tent fly. Amanda secures hammock to tree.
Pitch your tent or hammock within 15 feet of the numbered posts to lessen impacts on each site. Help preserve the backcountry experience for others by leaving your campsite cleaner than you found it.
Disposing of waste properly typed in white letters appears on a black screen. Amanda and Zach continue hiking.
Pack it in and pack it out. Bring a trash bag to make it easier. There are a lot of visitors to the backcountry here at Pictured Rocks. Human waste on or next to the trail is a health hazard. It can pile up and be unsightly.
Image: used toilet paper next to trail.
Please use the provided backcountry toilets.
Image of backcountry toilet near campsite. Green riser toilet, with no wall surrounding it.
Maps to the backcountry toilets are provided on the bear boxes at each campsite. If you are not near a backcountry toilet or riser, you must dig a hole 6 to 8 inches deep and 200 feet away from water, campsites, and trail.
Zach digs a hole in the dirt with silver shovel. Shovel is left in the ground to show depth.
Cover it when you are finished. Pack out all toilet paper and sanitary items. Use a Ziploc bag.
Zach holds a plastic bag and fills it with toilet paper. Leave what you find. Typed in white letters appears on a black screen. Amanda and Zach continue hiking.
Leave rocks, driftwood, plants, and other natural objects as you find them. Please do not deface natural objects. These include carving your name into rocks, cliffs, and trees.
Image of cliff face with many carved names and pictures on surface.
It is unsightly, and carved trees are exposed to invasive species and disease. Even the smallest scar can kill a tree.
Pine tree with multiple axe marks on surface. Minimize campfire impact typed in white letters appears on a black screen. Amanda and Zach continue hiking.
Campfires have a lasting effect on the environment. Use a stove for cooking and a lantern for light. Where fires are permitted, use established metal fire rings.
Image of large metal fire ring.
There are no fires at Chapel or Mosquito campsite.
Map showing backcountry campsites Chapel and Mosquito. Cut back to a small campfire within the fire ring, and Amanda placing sticks into the fire.
Keep campfires small. Use only sticks on the ground that can be broken by hand. Burn all wood to coal and ash, and put out fires completely until they are cool to the touch.
She pours water onto the fire to douse the flames. She then touches a log within the fire ring to see if it is cool. Respecting wildlife in white letters appears on a black screen. Amanda and Zach continue hiking on trail.
Animals commonly eat through thin plastic bags.
A chipmunk sits on a log in the woods, then scurries away.
Please store your food and trash properly while hiking and camping.
Store food and other scented items in bear boxes once you reach your site. Bears are common, and reducing their access to human food ensures a better life for the bears.
Amanda opens large brown bear box on the trail and places food bag within it.
Pets are not allowed on trails or the backcountry, so please leave them at home.
North Country Trail marker. Be considerate to other visitors typed in white letters appears on a black screen.
Respect other visitors and protect the quality of their experience. Let nature sounds prevail. Be aware of your voice level and noise level. Remember, many people hike to experience tranquility.
Amanda and Zach have completed their hike. They stand on the trail overlooking Chapel Beach and Lake Superior.
By following these leave no trace principles, along with other regulations while hiking and camping in the backcountry,
We can all do our part to make sure the backcountry remains a pristine adventure for all who visit.
End title screen. The National Park Service arrowhead and leave no trace logo appear.